I'll say it again, Mapagani. Things are not going well for us. Yes, we're optimistic. Yes, we're going to the ground, but we know ukuthi abantu abasilandelayo, they are gurus of this league.
Yeah.
But even through that, Ndanga, we still come and show up like players. I like to commend the coach and the players this time around. Because as much as like first game, thina Ntanga ama game seswaqala kanjani, sesifaka ipress.
Yeah.
Nalapho ngibone in 1 minute always sibili uzombona sekashaya cross la, but then you ask yourself how this team we mean business Ndanga, which is beautiful. You understand?
So you're saying we're on from the onset?
I think from the onset masiqala ngibona uSibilibili ashaya cross. Obviously I wasn't at the stadium izinto ezibhangi zibona, but make shaya cross ngibe ngathi this is the Pirates which we know. When we start at the high speed. You understand? Okunye ngikubonanga first half kakhulu, but second half what I saw Ndanga, we were on fire mfethu. Siqale nge-2-0 mfethu. Kokomelon was there trying to get, I think he was supposed to score a hat-trick for me, excluding the penalty. Namabhola ayi-2 awatholile azama ukwachipa like avaya kancane angithola. First half I saw Muremi uthi uyatrapa ngo-right, uthi uyashaya. It was going to be a beautiful goals. I saw Mbuthuma scoring a beautiful goal. I'm happy for Mbuthuma. Yes, it doesn't score, it doesn't do anything, but Mbuthuma is also vital for us. You know, I'm forever for Ngwanasis, but I have to give Mbuthuma mfethu. Makengenile, as much as Ntanga angakoranga, I told you last post match, as much as angakoranga, you'll see his contribution. In terms of what? In terms of when we press, is there. And now what I love about him, doesn't care. He knows now with uzoshaya ispansakhe la. The fans are going to talk. There's going to be a lot of noise. But even through that, he still goes on and on and on and on. I was happy to see Radio Man. I think Radio Man Ntanga is a top striker for me. Akadlalanga bangamdlalisi first second half kakhulu. Makana de bola akalitholile on the side. Ushayishimi umuntu uyadlula, he's trying to score. We got a penalty from that. You understand? I think we were dominant on that game for me. From where we are coming from, Richards Bay, for us to be on top again. I got a command Pirates scored 14 goals in 4 games, if I'm not mistaken, only considered 2.